Hey guys, so we're at it. Guess where we are? Boom! Negril. We are on the North Coast and we're doing deliveries today to you. Of course, this is always to our special customers. And guess what? You are all special. All you gotta do is say you want us to make a big special delivery for you. And we're on it. So because we're in Negril, guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get in the right mood, right frame of mind, because we're in Negril. Look at the town. Negril. So while you're looking at the town, guess what I went and do? The right frame of mind. Life's a beach. But I'm not going to waste any more time with my beer and my vacation hat. I'll soon put on my shorts. But let me take your package to you right now. I'm coming.